Asiwe mini. Awusukadini madoda. Jackpot. Sengisikile ba.
Ngelemba na watu number 3 wami.
But le ngitakusho mina lokunye ukuthi imoto le. Yeba. Yeba becautious.
Uhlala ubaleka namhla utholakele
Weva laphumu
ngikuvele ebuhlungu mina
mphathi wami ngiyacela mphathi wami
joyela kabi
mphathi
hello detective yes detective ngimbambile ke lo muntu nangu nje la ke umuntu ucela licolo hawo siyomfaka ejele
ngivele ebuhlungu
yeah sharp buhlungu bani
Officer Poloni, what are you doing outside here?
No, Mr. Aknak, don't.
What are you doing here? There's no one in the cells. I saw you. Where's the prisoner that ran away? And I thought you caught him. There's no one in the cells. Where is he? I don't see him. Why are you standing outside here?
Hey, Mr. Aknak, I've been working for this station for too long. How many years I've been working for this station?
I'm asking you, where is this prisoner that you were supposed to go fetch? You better tell me your story. Where is this prisoner you were supposed to get?
Let me tell you, sir, because you are telling me, I want to tell you as well. You are not taking me serious. Kahlembana came here a few weeks back. Then you are taking him serious. I was here before the station was
Just
here.
tell me where the prisoner is. Stop telling me.
Kahlembana is after that people because you said Kahlembana is very good in security.
Where is he? Because he was with you. He was outside, just outside here. I saw you, but now where is he? Because he was supposed to be in a cell right now. Where is he?
Hey, you see, sir, that man is very clever. He's very clever. You know, I was with him talking, and he was explaining to me why did he escape the first time. Then he took out this phone. So when he took out this phone, he was busy on this phone talking. And then the next minute, I don't know what happened. And said to me, you see, I don't know what happened after that.
So are you stupid that you would allow someone to use this on you?
No.
Why would he escape on this? Aren't you a smart police officer to know what he was doing to you? Are you dumb? Is that it? Are you and Kahlembana dumb? Since I've hired you, you just caused me problems. You know what? You're fired. Just get out of the uniform. I can't take this shit anymore.
You're firing me
Take
now.
out the uniform now.
So you're firing
Take out
me
the
now.
uniform. Take out the uniform. Take everything out now.
You see, I
Because
don't
you are an
anything.
imbecile. I don't want to hear from you anymore.
Take your things. Because I see you don't take me serious, Mr. Aknak.
Take out everything.
For how long I've been working for you?
Take everything out now. Take everything out now.
This
Because
is how
you're
you
stupid. You're stupid. That's it. You're stupid. Take
Oh,
it out
now
now.
I'm stupid.
Take it
The
out.
time I was catching criminals, I was not stupid.
How did you let this criminal go? How did you let him go?
A mistake is a mistake. Don't you forgive and forget.
You are a police officer. There's no mistakes allowed here because that man might be killing people outside there now. He might be killing everyone. And you now just let him go.
Mr.
Are you
Aknak,
stupid?
Mr. Aknak, I am also tired working for
Get out of the uniform now. Get out of the uniform, you stupid. I don't even know what to call you. Get out of the uniform. I don't want to see you anymore. And tell Kahlembana as well that he's fired.
So I am not taking off the shoes because the shoes I bought them with my own money.
I don't care. Tell Kahlembana to he's fired as well. You.
Yeah. Now that's Aknak. Yeah. Joyelo kamina ngidi. Eh no. Qala mutse lana. Antinya amadola ngaka. Hey. Kunjani lapho detective? Khululeka, ngilinqobile. Sihluthu namuhla ebhuthini. Ya, ukuphi wena manje? Hayi ngincobile siyagedla ngincobile. Nyalo ngiyeta lapho ku. Ha? Hayi phela gedla impana kanunjani wena bese sosuwa ngokulibala. Ibambe lapho ngiyeta. Usicoshile futhi lo mngane wakho. Angathi usikwendekeni ukuthi aza sicoshe. Sharp.